Okay, so essentially I've taken apart a monitor already and I know that it's dead. What I gotta do is fix this power supply in it. Um, One of the main pieces of equipment you're gonna need is a multimeter. And second piece is a soldering iron. Okay, so with this power supply, yeah, it's dead, and on most LCDs you're going to find a fuse on there, which is right here, this little fuse here. Let's check it right now, and it's showing that it's good. But in the FL inverter section on the power supply, there's typically another fuse, which on this one is down in here, and it's dead. It's open. But what you'll find is that these fuses are not the only thing that blows. It's usually something further on in the fluorescent light power supply circuit. So I found that with these ones, it's usually the transistors that go on here, and I'm gonna just check the transistors in here real quick, and this one shows good. This one shows good, and these ones are bad. So I'm gonna have to change these ones here and the fuse for sure, and we'll see what happens.